Guys, it's checkacola or Matt. 안녕하세요. Madamida checkacola. Today I'm filming outside again. It's actually snowing. Today we're going to be trying Monster Ballers Blend. Let's open her up. So, I've never actually had Monster's Ballers Blend. I've actually never tried Monster energy drinks for a long time, maybe like 5-6 years. This one does have sucralose in it, so it's not all sugar. So we'll see how it tastes. It is red colored. I can see that by my finger. Okay. So, oh, people watching over there. It does taste like Tahitian treat or Tahiti treat. Exactly the same almost. You've never had Tahitian treat or Tahiti treat? It's a really sweet, fruit punchy drink that has a really, like a distinct flavor. Growing up in Canada, I really liked Tahitian fruit and Tahitian treat. They changed the name a couple times, so I can't remember what it is right now. It's mid-range carbonization. It's 210 calories per 473 milliliter can, so there is some sugar in it. I hope. Yeah, there is sugar in it, but they add the sucralose to keep the sugar down from like maybe 300-400 calories down to, again, whatever they put it at. They actually show caffeine on the can nowadays. When I used to buy this before, they didn't actually show that. But, so really similar to Tahitian treat. Which could say be similar to Hawaiian punch. It's like a real fruity kind of a style drink. Would I buy again? Sure. But I like drinking sugar drinks. Even the added calories is still better than this taste. It does have a little chemical taste which kind of off-puts it, but most energy drinks nowadays have that. It's really snowy, so I'm gonna go quick. I'll see you guys next time. Annyeong.